Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a while since I have filmed, but I am back. Life has gotten a little bit hectic, but I'm here now. So something exciting happened, and you may have seen it if you follow me on Instagram. So I entered a giveaway for the Morphe and James Charles palette, and guys, I never win anything, like ever, okay? But I freaking won. So that was like super duper exciting. So big shout out to Allie Trent for, you know, making this happen. So I will link her little screen name will pop up here somewhere. So go follow her on Instagram because she is absolutely amazing at what she does. So yes, this is the palette that I used for this whole look right here. And let me tell you guys, this palette is no joke. Like, I'm obsessed with this and I'm probably not going to be using anything else for a while. So it has like so many beautiful like neutral colors, but then it also has like these really vibrant like pop colors. And the ones that I used today, this was the first time I actually had used the palette, but the ones that I used today blended beautifully. The pigment is insane and there really was not a whole bunch of fallout. So far, based off of this first time use, this palette is absolutely amazing. All right, so I also just wanted to point out that today's look was influenced by the Bohemian Rhapsody movie cover. I've not seen this movie yet and I'm dying to see it because I love Queen and it looks so good. But yeah, every single time that this pops up like in a commercial on TV, I keep telling myself how beautiful of an eye look this would make. So I finally did it today. So this is my little inspiration for this look today. Alright guys, so if you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned. Alright, so I've already primed my eye with the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus eyeshadow primer. So on my Cala 415 brush, I'm going to grab the shade Tune in the Morphe and James Charles palette, which is that one right there. That really kind of pale yellow shade. And I'm going to use that one as my transition color. Okay, so then next on my Morphe M535 brush, which I just bought this by the way, and I'm absolutely loving it. I kind of wanted a brush that was similar to my Cala 415 brush, but was like a little bit smaller. So yes, I'm loving this one. This one's a great brush. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to take the shade B in the Morphe and James Charles palette, which is this like bright neon yellow right here. And I'm going to start to blend that a little bit lower than where I placed that transition color. And I'm just lightly building the pigment up. Okay, so then on my Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to grab the shade 518, I think. Yeah, 518, which is the bright orange shade in here. And again, I'm just going to blend this one a little bit lower than where I placed that previous color. I'm kind of leaving my eyes open so that I can kind of see where I want that color to show. Okay, and then I'm just gonna switch back to that M535 brush and pick up more of that B shade and then just use that to blend out this orange. I also wanted to brighten that yellow back up a little bit. A lot of the times with this look, I was working forward and backward, just to make sure that everything was blended and that each color really popped. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up the shade Skip on my M506 brush, the little one, which is this really hot pink right here. And again, just blending that right below where I placed that orange shade. And this color is kind of going to be placed like right into the crease area. Okay, so then on the same 506 brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Single, which is this kind of lighter purple right here. And I'm going to start to buff that into, again, a little bit lower than where the pink is, but I'm going to kind of somewhat cover this whole blank area right here. And then then again, just working backwards a little bit and laying more of that pink color down to help blend that purple. Alright, and then I'm going to pick up the shade Escape, which is the deeper purple shade in here, right there. And I'm going to put that one like right along my lash line here. Oh, and I'm still using the M506 brush, by the way. Alright, and then once again, just working backwards through these previous colors here just to help blend any lines. Okay, and then just using my Cala fan brush, you can use whatever fan brush, I'm just going to kind of brush off any like little hairs from the bristles on my brushes or any like fallout just off of my cheek, just because I do have like my full face already done. So now I'm going to take my Morphe M535 little flat top guy here, and I'm going to take I'm going to kind of work from the deep purple back to yellow, but along the lower lash line. So I'm basically doing like the same thing, just kind of like flipped. So I'm going to run that dark purple Escape along, like right along my lower lash line here. And make sure to connect that to the top. You don't want like a weird gap on the outer corner of your eye here. And then taking that single shade, the lighter purple one, and then just running it right along that edge here and tying it into the top. And then taking Skip, that bright pink, laying that one down. And then 518, which was that bright orange. And then that bright yellow bee color. Alright, so then again, I'm going to work backwards just to really make each one of those colors pop again. Okay, so then now I'm going to take my Morphe E24 brush right here, and I'm going to spray it with a little bit of the Pearlessence Coconut Rose face mist just to wet the bristles. And I'm going to use a mixture of Ring Light and Bee on the inner corner of my eye. That one is Ring Light, and then obviously we've used Bee, the bright yellow one. But I'm going to use mainly Ring Light at first, just to kind of brighten up this inner corner right here. And then I'm just going to grab just a tiny little bit of Bee and tap that over top of there, because I kind of like, I didn't want it to be super yellow on the inner corner, but I also didn't want it to be incredibly white, so just the mixture of the two kind of makes it like a toned down yellow. So then once you get that to kind of the shade that you want it to be, whatever's left on the brush, I'm actually going to buff onto my brow bone here. And then just taking my Cala 415 brush and running it just along the edges to make sure that everything is blended together. Okay, so now I am going to go ahead and curl my lashes, and I'm going to throw on some of the MAC False Lashes mascara. And then I'm also going to pop on my other Lilly lash in Mykonos, which, let me tell you, I'm just trying these for the first time, and they are absolutely amazing. Like, I don't think I can live without these lashes, honestly. My favorite YouTuber, Jamie Genevieve, is like obsessed with these. She's always wearing these, and I completely understand why now. They're comfortable, they are like super soft, and oh my goodness, like look at them. Alright, so give me 1 second and I will be right back. Alright guys, so this is the completed look right here. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button down below and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!